Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Modupe aka Modamz, and you're welcome to my channel where it's all about travel vlogs, lifestyle and food. But in today's video, I know my hair looks different, doesn't it? But anyway, let me go straight to this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Lightroom edits. I know, I've been seeing it everywhere. I've been seeing it on my Instagram, on my Facebook. I don't even use Facebook. On my YouTube pages, on my Twitter, and I was like, oh, I'm actually gonna give this a go because, you know, I follow some people who use the Lightroom app and who use a certain preset on their Instagram feed, and it's actually kind of nice. And I was like, oh, I'm actually gonna give it a go and see if this is what I want for my brand, you know, building it up. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. If you like to see this, then definitely keep on watching. So how this is going to work is I'm going to be screen recording my screen. Oh my god, I got air in my face. I'm going to be screen recording my screen and I'm going to be showing you guys what I do on my Lightroom app. You can actually get it for free on your phone, but to download it on your laptop you have to pay because it's by Adobe. Excuse me. So you have to pay for the subscription, but I downloaded it on my app on my phone actually, and it's free, and I've been trying it out and it's actually free. So we're going to be doing that. Let me just record my screen. So I'm recording my screen now and I'm going to be going into the app. First off, I'm just gonna say that I'm gonna put everything I'm doing right here, so let me just move. I'm gonna say that this video is inspired by Huoma Heze. She just started a YouTube channel, and then I was like, oh, I'm actually gonna give this a go, and I was like, I'm gonna record a video of me actually doing it and see if it actually works out. I've seen other videos as well, but I'm just like, I like the way she explained hers, went into detail, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys and let's get straight into it. I'm going to be using a very, you know, bright colored picture. I took the picture last year September when I went to Portugal, and yeah, I just wanted to use that because it's a pop of color, and I just wanted to pop a color on my feed, if that makes sense. And since we can't travel right now, all we can do is just throw back to pictures and act as if, you know, we're on a destination, very cute, warm and cozy. So yeah, we're going to be doing throwbacks on the feed until the time we're going to be able to fly again. So let me record again. So I have my laptop here. I'm going to be taking notes. Guys, I have to take note because if I don't take note, I won't be able to remember everything up here. I'm going to be using the picture. So first of all, I'm going to go and look for the picture. I'm going to go to my camera roll. I'm going to go to my favorites because I always put my favorite pictures there and it's easier. And oh, I think I did it after. So this is the picture right here, and it's basically me in front of a yellow car and in front of a yellow wall. And then as you can see at the back of the car, you can see yellow and you can see white and you can see green. But you get what I mean? I'm just talking about the background. So it was just a right picture spot, so I just had to take a picture there, and it was so perfect. And you can see I'm wearing red, I'm wearing black, and I'm wearing white. So I would like to try out this edit and see if it actually works for me, and you know, bring out the colors, because she said that she loves color, especially her color is red. So basically I'm just going to be trying to follow. I've seen a lot of videos as well. I've seen I Am Dodo's one. I have seen, what else have I seen? I don't remember, but yeah, there's a lot of videos online, guys. I'm just trying it and I wanted to show you guys how it is. So the first thing she said to do is, the first step is to increase your phone brightness. Okay, my phone brightness is increased, it's at the highest peak. So then the next thing you do, you want to go to light. Then the next thing you do is you take your exposure to the back. I'm basically just going to be doing what she did because she said something about taking your exposure to the back, you know, makes it a big dot, and if it takes it forward, it makes it too bright. As you guys can see, it's too bright. So we're just gonna, you know, take it to the back a bit. She did -53, and I think -53 is gonna be too dark for me. So I'm gonna leave it at 20. Because one thing I've noticed is like I don't know, I feel like it's going to be hard for me to stick to a theme, but I'm just trying it out to see what's going to be suitable for my feed. So then the next thing she did, contrast plus 11. Let's see, contrast plus 11. So I think the contrast is actually bringing out my skin color. If I take it to the back, oh yeah, the contrast actually brings out my skin color. And then the next thing is highlight. She took it to -73. Okay, let's see what the highlight does. Oh, the highlight makes it a bit darker, but I think I'll leave it at -42 or 40. You know, just to, you know, leave it there. Looks cute. My skin looks popping already. And then the shadows plus 67. Whenever I say plus, I'm like, oh yeah, brightness, everything. But it depends, guys. It depends on your theme. It depends what you're going for, and it depends on kind of vibe you're going. Mine is gonna be probably like all the colors screaming at your face, like pow, you can see me now. So let's do plus 67. Ooh, okay, you can see everything changing. Oh, I like this already. And then white, so she's taking her white backwards. She took it to -78. Okay, I think I want my white to pop, so I'll leave it to -60. And then the blacks is plus 69. Yeah, because I want my black to pop, and I want the black in the yellow curb or the car, whatever, and in my skirt and my bag to pop. So black is plus 69. Ooh. Nah, I'm gonna take it a bit back. I was disappearing, guys, so I'll leave it at 30. And then we're going to be moving to the color section, which is this one. And then she spoke about the temperature. So basically the temperature is, if you take it back, it gives your face kind of bluish vibe, and if you take it forward, it gives you like kind of, you know, autumn vibe. So as you can see, it's forward, backwards, forwards, backward. And as she went forward, she went to plus 21 for her temperature. Oh, I look cool. Oh no, that's backwards. Plus 21. Oh, it's it's basically making it vibrant. Ooh, I think I'll leave it at plus 8. And then, because plus 21 is just it's alright. Okay, let's leave it as, let me actually do the right thing. Let me do plus 21. Then tint, she did the tint to be -11. Just a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, okay? And then the vibrance is plus 12. So she said you should reduce the vibrance if you don't want a lot of colors. So I'm happy she increased it because I want my colors to pop. So we're going to do plus 12. And then the saturation is to plus 11. Ooh, big girl, you look bright already. Nice. And then we're going to be moving on to the color wheel. Apparently the color wheel is the interesting bit, because then you are able to, you know, adjust the colors in the pictures. You're able to increase and decrease how bright it is or what kind of color it shows on your feed. Apparently red can turn to orange, green can turn to black or so. Yeah, so we are on red. Ooh, I'm wearing a red top, so we're going to focus on that. So in our red, she increased the, so she decreased the U, ooh, E, ooh, I don't know. She decreased it to -12. So ooh, oh, so if you increase that word, it turns into orange, but if you decrease it, it makes it pop. So I'm going to decrease it to -12. And then the sat, she increased it to plus 13 just to make it brighter. Nice. And then she didn't touch the luminous. She says she doesn't really touch the luminous, as well as other people, they don't really touch the luminous. And then the orange, she increased it to hue plus 6. don't think I have a lot of orange going on in this background, but let's just do what the video is saying. And then the sat is +10. Then luminance, she actually did the luminance to -14. Oh, I see where this is going. All right. And then she went on to yellow. Whoa, yellow. There's a lot of yellow going on in this picture, so the yellow has to really pop for me. I want to see it like boom. So the yellow, she only increased the saturation to 30. Okay, wow. Whoa. What happens if you decrease it? Oh, it becomes mellow. Wow. Okay, I think I'll leave it at even. Whoa. Okay, I'm very indecisive right now, so I'll leave it at +10. Okay, because this is quite a lot and my screen is bright. All right, so yellow is saturation 10, and then we moved on to green. Green is also in the background because the door is green and the window is green. So the green, she only did the sat to -25. And then light blue, I'm not really wearing a lot of light blue here, but light blue was saturation +28. The ones I'm not talking about were not done, so yeah. And the dark blue, saturation +41. And then the purple, she did the saturation +21. So the trick is basically, once you do this preset, you can always go back to the color wheel and increase or decrease the saturation, hue and luminance levels, just to bring out the vibrant or vibrance, that's not what, the colors in your picture, so you can increase and decrease it when you actually do the preset. So then the last purple, oh, I don't think I really got that, but let's go with the flow. So if I increase the saturation, this is what it looks like. If I decrease it, I can't really see a difference, but you know what, let's just leave it at 0 because, and let's say done. Let's see before. Oh, this is before, this is after, before, after. Do you guys like it before or do you guys like it after? Before, after? Let me know in the comment section, guys. So once this is done, I will just tick this. Oh my god. Then okay, I'll go back to the pictures, and then another trick, guys, I think I've already given like 2 or 3 tricks, but yeah, another trick is the way you make the preset. You basically click on this 3 button in the top right corner, and then you click on copy settings, you tick it, and then you click on the same 3 buttons, and then you click on create presets, and then you can title it the name of anything you want. So I'm going to do this as I'm just going to say just call it Portugal because I took the picture in Portugal. So I'm gonna save it, and then if I go to my preset, you can see I have Portugal there, and then okay, X, and then I'm just gonna I'm gonna export this to my camera roll, and that's it, guys. Literally, that was easy. It's so easy actually following the step-by-step level, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to upload it on my Instagram, so if you are not following me on Lifewithmodamz, make sure you follow me on my Instagram at Lifewithmodamz. I'm going to leave everything right here or in the description box below, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter to see the before and after. You know, we can continue the conversation there if you want to. So many different ones. There's so many whites, you know, how to maintain a white feed or how to maintain a black and white feed. Oh yeah, another person that I do follow is Melanin Godmother. I think that's a I don't know if that's her actual name, but she's a twin. She's I've forgotten her actual name. Oh my god. So I like her feed. I like I Am Dodos. Who else? I like Runkeraji's feed. Runkeraji's feed is that kind of like a vintage brown, you know, just like you could sleep on it. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share it on your social media pages if you want to, and share with your friends. And also don't forget, we're trying to reach 1K, so keep sharing, keep subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, why are you not subscribed? Why I'm waiting. Why? You're watching this video for free? You think it's easy? So guys, my camera literally just died. I don't know why. I was trying to say that you guys should subscribe to my channel because it's just not nice if you're watching my video and you're not subscribed. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it, guys. Make sure you thumbs up if you like this video, and if you like to see more of this, make sure you give a comment section. Put a comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter at Lifewithmodamz. And yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.